Today, we're going to replace the handle of a GE microwave. It broke here and here. And the way you do this is you have to remove the whole door. We have to move this grate so that allows us to pull the door up. Okay, now that we have the door removed, a chance to give it a good cleaning. Now this is the tricky part. This first thing is we're going to pop off this rim around this, and this is only held by snaps. So I want to be very careful not to break those plastic snaps. I'm going to use two things, two flatheads, and a knife, and see if I can get into here. Yeah, it looks like I broke the snaps probably last time. So now that I have this taken off, I have, let's see, I have 6 screws. So now I'm going to remove this metal piece. So this things with the tabs, with these little tabs, along with the glass is all connected. Get my first screwdriver. You see that screw? That's for one of the handles. And for some reason, the other one is hidden right behind there. So, as far as design goes, could have been a little better than that. Now there's these little tabs here, here, which snap the outside frame to this. So I'm just gonna pry it off. Be careful not to break anything here. All right, that was a pain in the butt. All right, now I'm gonna hang it over here because I'm gonna put the handle there. But there's that one screw we're looking at, and there's the second one, which was hidden under for whatever reason. Okay, what's going on is when I unscrew these things are just spinning. Same thing with the bottom one. So if you see the bottom one, it just spins. So what I'm gonna try to do is make it not spin. Hold one end with needle nose pliers. All right, that was a pain in the butt. I think I got it. Plastic piece. All right, now we're gonna install the new. So this is the ones that broke. So what I wanted to see is, where is it breaking at? If you look, it's shearing off right here, right where the sharp points are at. So this thing comes to a nice edge, clean edge, and a 90-degree angle. There's no like radius really there to protect it. You can see it better on the bottom one. So see how there's just an edge? It goes just right there. That's exactly where it should break if it's going to see any stress. It's going to see the stress right there at that right angle. So put a radius in there and things will be much better. But we're going to install this and hopefully this lasts a little longer so I don't have to do this again for a while. Here we go. All right. Let's put this on. So this one has a slot in it. So it fits in. And let's screw this thing down. I'll do everything in reverse. All right. first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fit these over the hole. Pretty much all the snaps are gone except for this one right here, but it seems to stay in place pretty good. All right, now to put this grate back on. I'm just looking. So I'm gonna put this grate back on. What I notice is I'm not screwing into anything over there. Done.